I'm Peter Robbins, an investigative writer who specializes in the subject of UFOs. Uh, I'm in Greece, in the home of my friend and colleague Jenny Sari, at the end of 10 days that is going much too fast. I came here to speak at what really has turned out to be an historic conference, taking two of the most challenging areas of study in modern times and bringing them together. Wilhelm Reich's paradigm-shifting work, which I was first introduced to, fortunately, when I was still a teenager, and has been a part of my life ever since, and the implications of the UFO phenomena. Reich, tremendous courage, one of the great scientists of millennia, observed UFOs, interacted with them via his cloudbuster machine, and had the courage to publish around it. It sounded mad. It was rejected by the scientific community, who never bothered to investigate it, replicate it, study his findings, but just dismissed it. All these years later, for the very first time, a conference organized by Jenny, our dear friend George, and a remarkable team of volunteers has brought the subject together in the conference we had last weekend, the Contact with Space Conference, taking the title of Reich's final book, Contact with Space, and making it the center point. I was privileged to give two papers, one on my involvement in the study of Reich science, which he termed orgonomy, or how energy functions in the living and non-living realms, and my 40 years in the field of UFO studies. My second talk was on what I considered a best case, the 1980 Rendlesham Forest UFO incident. I thought the conference was a grand success. Despite modest numbers in attendance, it is a conference that is destined to grow and have a place of world importance in both these subjects. However, personally, the rest of the time here has been life-changing for me in a way. It's my third trip to Greece, my first when I was 24 years old, my second 5 years ago to speak at a conference on Reich in central Greece when I met Jenny, and the third this week. But what we have packed into the past 6 days in terms of travel, visiting extraordinary locations, making and deepening friendships, having a very special time, I will never forget. And I hope it works out that I can return to Greece every year for this important conference and to continue these wonderful friendships and just be happy and have a good time with people I love.